Howdy, going over your histogram independent practice. This is what your histogram should have looked like. Pretty much the stuff in pink is the stuff that you kind of had to do on your own. Everything else you were just copying. Once you have a nice histogram that looks almost identical to what you have, you can answer the question. The question was, how many people scored from 60 to 69 on the test? That would be 3. And you can see that if your bar is correct, it should stop right here at the 3. All right, that's the only construction you had to do. The rest of you are just interpreting histograms. So for this one, you wanted 2 age groups where you had the same number of customers. That would be your 10 to 19 and your 50 to 59. They both had exactly 9. And you could actually take a piece of paper, if this was in your book, you could actually put this on your screen too. And if you laid it across these should line up with each other. Nice straight line. Now, how many customers are in the restaurant? How do you know? Well, we didn't really talk about this for any of the other problems, but I wanted to see if you were able to get it. Remember, these frequencies represent numbers of people. So how did I get 63? I added all of the heights or the frequencies of these intervals. So with your calculator or on your paper, you could take 6 plus 9 plus right here, that's 13, plus this is an 11, plus 15, and right here this is another plus 9. If you add all those together, you should get 63, and that's how we got our answer. You add all the frequencies. So that's how you can always figure out your total. And finally, you have your museum gift shop. How many customers spent less than 20? That would be these 2 frequencies right here. So you have 8 in the 0 to 9 interval, and you have 6 in the 10 to 19 interval. 8 plus 6 is 14. This interval would not count because it's less than 20. Everything here is equal to or greater than 20, and same with these. These are both way bigger than 20. How many customers bought something at the gift shop? Once again, here is that question. How many total people are represented? Add each one of the bars. So you have 8 plus 6 plus 7 plus 4 plus 2, and that gives you 27. All right. So that is that. So please go back and make sure you check all your work. If you got something wrong, don't just change it. Why don't you try to get it right and then change it, and then make sure you hit submit.